Do you want to build muscle and gain weight in a healthy way? Welcome to our journey into the world of muscle building and weight gain. Our focus is on the crucial role of diet. It's so easy to stumble into common pitfalls like overeating or choosing the wrong foods when trying to bulk up. But the truth is, the secret sauce is all about understanding nutrition. Understanding what to eat and when to eat is crucial for gaining weight and building muscle in a healthy way. Proteins are the building blocks of our muscles. This statement is as true as the sky is blue. Proteins play an indispensable role in muscle building. They are the craftsmen in your body, diligently working to repair and grow your muscles. Imagine your body as a construction site, and proteins are the workers. After a grueling workout, your muscles are like a structure that has been torn down. Proteins get to work, helping repair these damaged muscle fibers, creating a bigger and stronger structure than before. And how do we supply these diligent workers to our body? Through a protein-rich diet, of course. Incorporate lean meats, such as chicken or turkey, into your meals. Dairy products and eggs are also excellent protein sources. And for those following a plant-based diet, lentils and tofu are your protein superheroes. Remember, a protein-rich diet is essential for muscle growth and repair. So, give your body the protein it needs to build those muscles you desire. Carbohydrates and fats are just as important as proteins in your muscle-building diet. Let's break this down. Carbohydrates are your body's go-to energy source. They fuel your workouts, enabling you to push through those last few reps. Picture them as the high-octane fuel that powers your muscle-building engine. But what about fats? They're essential too. They support hormone production and aid in the absorption of nutrients, both crucial processes for muscle growth. So, where should these carbohydrates and fats come from? For carbohydrates, think whole grains and fruits. They offer sustained energy release, preventing those dreaded mid-workout energy crashes. And for fats, consider avocados, nuts, and seeds. They're packed with healthy fats that support your body's functions without the negative side effects of unhealthy fats. Remember, it's about balance. Protein builds muscles, carbohydrates provide energy, and fats support vital processes. Balancing your intake of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats will fuel your workouts and promote muscle growth. Not just what you eat, but when you eat also matters. That's right, the timing of your meals plays a significant role in muscle building and weight gain. This is what we call nutrient timing. Think of your body like a car. Just as a car needs fuel to run, your body needs nutrients to function. And not only do you need to fill the tank, but you also need to fill it at the right times. After a workout, your muscles are like a sponge, ready to absorb nutrients. This is the perfect time to have a protein-rich meal or snack. Protein helps repair and grow your muscles, enhancing the results of your workout. But don't forget about the rest of the day. Regular meals ensure a steady supply of nutrients to your muscles. This keeps them fueled and ready for growth. Eating at the right times can maximize your muscle growth and weight gain. So remember, timing is everything. So what's the recipe for muscle building and weight gain? In the journey of muscle building and weight gain, nutrition plays a pivotal role. It's the foundation upon which your body builds and repairs itself. The key here is balance and timing. Proteins, the building blocks of muscles, are indispensable. They repair the muscle tissues that are broken down during workouts and help in building new ones. Choose lean proteins like chicken, fish, and plant-based proteins for optimal results. Carbohydrates and fats are equally important. Carbohydrates provide the energy needed for your workouts and daily activities, while healthy fats support hormone regulation and provide a reserve of energy. Opt for complex carbohydrates such as whole grains and starchy vegetables, and healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and seeds. Timing your meals is crucial too. The old adage, "You are what you eat," might be more accurately phrased as, "You are when you eat." Regular, balanced meals help maintain energy levels, while pre- and post-workout meals fuel your workouts and aid recovery. Remember, food is not just fuel, it's also a tool for growth, recovery, and health. Incorporate these tips into your routine, listen to your body, and adjust as needed. Remember, the journey to muscle building and weight gain is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time, eat right, and you'll see results.